Welcome to David's Chat Project. I'm David, and today we're going to be setting up a WordPress multi-site network. It's a pretty easy, quick 3 steps. The first thing we want to do is prep and set up. So for that, I would say if this is not a fresh install like I have, you're going to want to do a backup of your website. You want to go to your plugins, installed plugins, and make sure everything is deactivated. Okay? Now, once you have all your plugins deactivated, we're just going to add a short snippet of code I'm showing on the screen. I will also have this in the description below, and I will have a link to my blog connected to this that has a bit more in-depth of setting this up. Now you want to go to your file manager, and you want to come down, you want to find public HTML. Alright, then you want to find the WordPress installation you're using, and in that folder you will find wp-config.php. Alright, so we want to edit that and scroll down towards the bottom. You will find that's all, stop editing, happy publishing. Alright, once we find that code right above it, I'm going to put a couple spaces just so I see it. Okay, you put that right up there, and then you click save and return back to your WordPress. We'll go to dashboard here to refresh, and then you will come down to tools on your menu and find network setup. Okay, here we have some options. This is the options you have on a fresh install. If it's not a fresh install, you will not be able to do subdomains, though I like subdomains, they look clean. You will have to do some editing with your DNS maybe and other domains to get that set up, which I do plan on doing some stuff with that in the future. But today I'm on a shared host or shared server. I don't know how much it can really take, but I'm going to attempt to at least get a network started on that and then migrate to a dedicated server eventually. But from this option here, I'm going to go with subdirectories, which looks like this type of a URL. It has your site name slash, kind of like it would go into a page, but this would actually be its own website. And then a subdomain, of course, will have the subdomain name there, dot your website. And we want to name the network, so this would be called Player Hub. I'm going to call it Player Hub Network. It's what it is. So we will set up the network title here, and the network admin email, which I will just continue to use as my own. Now when you're ready, click install, and it's going to bring us to some more code here. Alright, all we need to do from here is follow the steps. So add the following to your wp-config.php file. So we're going to locate that again, and above the line, exactly the same line we had before, that's all, stop editing, happy publishing. So we want to take this line of code here and put back into the wp-config.php file. Where are we at? There we go. There's the that's all, stop editing, happy publishing. We're going to go right above that. I'm going to go right under where I have the multi-site code, and we will post or paste that there. Looks good. Yes. Okay, and we will save that. And we can close that one there. And now we're gonna have to go to our Htaccess file. But let's come back to our WordPress, and we're gonna see what it wants us to do there. Add the following to your Htaccess file, replacing the other WordPress rules. Okay, so we're gonna take this here, look for the rewrite engine on, copy, Let's find our Htaccess. And we want to edit that. Edit. Okay, we're going to find this rewrite engine code here. We're going to highlight this and change that. That looks correct. Yep. And then we will save this and we can close that. Alright, now let's come back to our WordPress and it's going to ask us to log in. Okay, now that we have the multi-site network installed, come up here and you will see we have a little bit more options. Now when you come to that, you see my sites. Up here is the network admin. So you are set up as the super admin. You will control all sites including the network site. Now up here is the network dashboard. Very similar but slightly different than your actual site dashboard of the network. This would be the main site of the network. But this would be how you would edit that site directly. This one is more of the all above all stuff. You know, you put your plugins and stuff in there and access them throughout the different sites. I'll get more into all that stuff later. Today I just wanted to show you how to set up the multi-site network. But yeah, let me know any questions you may have, and we'll try to upload some more videos on this project here of playerhub.net. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.